Your friends would say, well, would you recommend Sigma? You bet your bottom dollar I would. It was an easy process, it was enjoyable, everything was delivered on time, there were no hiccups because it was measured properly, not just once but twice. And when the units arrived, they all fitted. It was enjoyable. We were recommended to go to Sigma, but we're independent, so we did a bit of our own research, and after going around companies, we decided to look at Sigma's showroom. We went up to a place called Abergavenny, and we met Barbara, and then we had a good discussion on what we thought we wanted. I'll give Barbara her due. She kind of said, well, yes, you can have that, but if you do it this way, you'll get a much nicer kitchen, something with a bit of wow in it. And when she did the designs and the colours, we brought the colour boards home and had a look and went, yes. So through to her good offices, we've ended up with this lovely kitchen. It was the combination of the different colours that she put together. It was a revelation that what you could do with different colours. She was right, if we put too many colours, it would have ruined this. We've got what we wanted, not what we thought we wanted. The fun started when the carpenter came. It was fantastic. Cleaned up, there was no mess. It was really pleasant. And he would turn up when he said he was going to turn up, and it just went so smoothly. It was a pleasure to have him here working. Once the kitchen was built and Josh had finished and gone, it was time to play with the kitchen. The storage works for us. We've got storage all the way around this island, which suits us down to the ground. We've got enough to put all our plates and crockery and stuff easily. And I love my boiling hot water tap. It means I can make the wife a cup of tea in seconds. Before we had this house, we lived on a boat for 3 years. The kitchen we could fit in where the sink is. Once we had this, we did what we really like to do, is entertain and have people around. And without this kitchen, it wouldn't work. It flows nicely. People can sit round and chat while you're cooking. Everything is within an arm's reach. It just makes life so much easier. To have a kitchen like this, it's brilliant. And if anyone's thinking of it, get your backsides down to Sigma 3 and have a word with their designers.